ask Nate some questions, you guys. Want to get to know Nate?
You're concerned about Janelle Evans. You're the celebrity, not me.
The focus is on me right now. He looks like Val Kilmer.
That's the millionth person that said that. I actually had a talk with my mom about that.
Do you play video games?
Yes. I'm a geek. I watch anime too. Yes, I'm a loser like that. I'm sorry. If you guys are anime fans, Trigun, Inuyasha, Naruto, all that shit. It's fucking awesome.
At least you guys are having fun. You guys come to Pittsburgh. I would come to Pittsburgh because I'm from Scranton. How old are you, Nate?
25. I'll be 26 in a couple of months.
What's your last name?
Griffith. What? What did they say?
Not saying it.
What did they say? Say it. Say it. I mean, what did they say? What's it about?
Nate, did you go to school for anything?
Go to school, like what school? High school, college, what?
Where's Nathan from?
Athens, Ohio. Like school for what?
What's your favorite anime?
Probably Bleach or Naruto or Trigun. Gun Grades is pretty hot too.
I love that song in the background. Clarity is amazing. No, not this one.
No, I love Clarity.
I know.
Clarity is fucking awesome.
How old is Nathan?